Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is HUPEJOS AI dash cam. If you have four-wheeler, so this product is very important for you. You can record 4K AI, 4-channel voice control, 5G Wi-Fi, night vision, lens 6G, f1 1.8 mm. This dash cam is really impressive. I'm purchasing this product official website hupejos.com. Even I already added this link in video description. The product available on Amazon as well. This particular platform are selling much more different quality of dash cam. Which dash cam you won't require, you should purchase and use. I personally purchased this dash cam front rear with DMS, 4-channel and 360 Celsius view camera for your car. If you want buy this one, the product available on Amazon as well, country to country variant. The product price is of $174. Now we'll do unboxing and how to fix this dash cam in my car. Which types of footage we are receiving, we will see. So let's do the unboxing. Now we just simply do the unboxing. I cut the wrapper. The packing and box is very impressive. Again, we need to cut this wrapper as well. Inside the box, we receive here magic booklet. How to use, you can scan this QR code and afterwards you can very easily use. Get 2 years warranty as well. You just simply scan within 7 days after receiving the product. This is the magic booklet. Installation, it's very easy, and afterward how to enable everything. All the information is here. Driver monitor system, quick guide, clean glass, and afterwards fix this one. Inside the box we receive first dash cam. So first product coming out. So look at this here. This is the dash cam inside and outside the camera. Inside here we receive 28 GB storage, so you can store here bunch of data. 1 channel 2, even the power you need to provide here, power using USB-C, and this is this display. So after remove the screen look like this. Here is the 3 camera, 2 is inside and 1 is roadside. Inside the here we receive 128 GB memory card. You just fix here. Afterwards you can connect via application as well. Here the USB-C port is available for the power perspective. What inside the box, we receive here one more camera. So this camera belongs in backside. You just fix in backside cable. You should connect this one here, CH1 channel, so backside to front side we can see afterwards. This is the power cable. I have this extension, so I just simply fix here and then attach. So power is here, display green light. Connecting this one, power is on. Look at this here, the camera clarity. This is the front side. Look at this here, this camera itself. This is the clarity of this camera. So here the manual button, some of the display is coming here. Power on off, which location you want record, as per accordingly you should decide and fix. Here we receive one, you just simply fix in your dashboard upper side. How to fix this one here, it's very easy. Just simply change this camera direction here. Afterwards very easily this grip can come here, and that's it. It's easy. Afterward you can change the location as well. Just simply fix in car. I will show you how to fix this one. They are providing this one is extra. Apart from that, here we receive, so you should fix your cable in entire car structure. That's why we receive this one. So look at this here, 3 screen is showing here, 1, 2 and 3. Now if I connect this one, so 4 screen is showing here. Now we can go outside and fix this one in the car. I just simply enter on my car. This is the power cable. I just simply connect here, demo point of view. Continuously you need to provide the power. First of all I fix and then I will show you. So look at this here. I fixed the screen here. Now I just simply connect the power. First of all, you can fix properly the driver seat visual and the passenger seat visual as well. Look at this here. My hand showing here. I will show you afterwards passenger seat and driver seat recording of this frame. It's easy. Interesting point, if you want to remove this one and use your memory card or power cable, so it's very easy. This is the space I put it here, the proper space. So you just simply press down to up. Look at this, like this, and it's very easy to open as well. And if you want fix afterwards, very easy to fix as well. So it's easy. So look at this here. After fixing this camera, the camera look like this outside the car. Here is the Tesla camera and here is the HUPEJOS camera I fix here. It's easy to fix and look like this. Afterward, you can fix this power cable. Now we can start the record and let's see which types of footage we are receiving. So guys, this is the simple unboxing, installation and review video of HUPEJOS AI car camera. If you want to purchase this camera, link is already available on video description. If you have any question, ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.